get you. So I wanna know like how how do you think how much do you think like a guy must pay for your lobola
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
For your lobola.
Since I'm studying for engineer and I'm gonna be in engineering.
Okay.
So have a meeting. Take it or leave it.
Bafethu machida ngineplan bafethu lokuthi siyeni lapha eAmerica lapha sobukela bafana ku-World Cup bafethu and nibonile line up angithi Cape Verde da and abothekini badaba fresh so bafethu ngibona enye ikhampani ifuna ama-spam donor bafethu angabe sigaba ma-30 tawa if u-healthy so imagine mfethu udonate ipem ezi-5 umnandi trip yonke siyavaya siyabuya
Abanjayile ma.
Awuchaye phela ngala wazobona.
Angeze nazeli.
Awubacalanga kodwa.
Hayi. Mina sithi kuhambe njani?
Kuhambe njani?
Mina ngithe ngiphuma lapha esiqonge na. Ngiyaphuma yaphusha lapha nami ngaphuma ntakiwe lapha yaphusha.
La ukuthi kwezamathulu.
Ngabe ngibathola.
Ngiyakuzwa
abafana. Abafana bathi bafuna imali ke. Athi angina mali mina.
Kodwa le $3.
Alwa kakhulu.
Walwa kakhulu.
Kayisandla sinjani?
Ubusilwa wona.
Hayi mina ngiphumanga mina.
Walisho
hayi kodwa bangikhuleli.
Bebangayi.
Kodwa ngiyama kwa.
U1 man usimele nje wedwa.
Short ebantwini short
wabatshaya.
Hayi ngiyawisa 2 pounds.
Bazoma kurefu manje wena.
Kathi angezanga lutho.
Mfundini thini oko sohleleni besichaza imini injani asinamini injani thina sixake ezingqondweni sibadala ithi imini isahamba kakuhle uphazamiseke ithi usaphazamisekile iphinde ibe right so asinayo imini enjani thina busibuza imini injani sibulele basivuka sithetha qha siqhubeka nobomi eyoba ibinjani imini boyiyeka mntana sekhaya because konza ngiphendula lo how's your day andingomlungu mna
Yeah, uyaphoxa lo girl. Athatha kasongumlungu. Like xa ubuza umuntu ba imini yakhe benjani uzama ubuza ba what happened that stood out for you namhlanje. Yebo. Uyaphoxa lo girl. Incwa ngeza ntoni?
Hey bro, you can't park there. You can't park there.
Am I parking?
You can't park there.
Am I parking here?
You can't park there.
Am I parking here?
You can't park
Who
there.
said?
Dis nou as jy braai. Nee. Jessie. Move. Nee. Dis nou as jy braai met 'n donkie en 'n emu om jou. Hitler, move it. Nee. My pap en wors. Move. Move it. Move.
Pap en wors idibene. Into only for you nglo mntu. Le mala mjita uyambonisa bayifake ngapha.
Bengicela ubuza uba nina nenze njani xa nibone abantu benu like umuntu mhlawumbi ubone umuntu okhetshitha like uye wenze njani wena
Cebisana nomnye umntana.
Ngibekela umama wami ngizela ngihamba ngayo kwethu. Ngiyabonga basaphila umama baba ngiyabonga kuNkulunkulu ngombuso ngabo kwethu ubaba wangifanele inkomo bani. Kuthiwa ngisekumhlanga ngimthola ngazi ngami ngomtholaphi. Ngizomtholaphi? Angazi. Kuthiwa ngumseke kodwa ngazi ngimtholaphi. Jesu Kristu kodwa ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu wangibusa ngengane yami Angel uStamolo usubahle. Ngiyithanda ingane yami ngicela ngiphamana ngiyithande kuze kube phakathi. Yenzele yonke izinto. Ngiyifuna ama-Friday ngiyithengele njengoyise. Ngiyacela Jesu ungiphe amandla nami ngibindoda. Nami ngenyawo ubaba ohamba ngemoto sezungu-30. Mina ngihamba ngenyawo mina yini inkinga? Yini ngicela ungabi nabangani ababi. Ngalokhu ubona sidla imali ngicela ukuvula ikhadi lami sebheki ngiyacela uNkulunkulu. Ngonyaka ozayo ngifuna ngoMeyi kube ngigcinela imoto yami enkanhla. ngiyithola 5,000 ngifike ukukhokhela anginakudla endlini anginalutho ngiyahlupheka kusathane angazi uthini kubulungu kuyaxolisa uNkulunkulu wami ngicela ungithayisele ngixophayise ngizokukela endlini eyebandla namhlanje angikwazi ukuphinga labo 200 rand ngihola imali ekhaya ngizokela ibasonisa amen.
I'm listening.
Omoda,
I'm listening.
open the windows.
All right, open.
Jesu!
Le moto inosiri. So xa istakile uyatsho boma izilungisi.
You know me, not my story. You know me, but you know me.
Iqiniso manje ke Nkosi iphuza face ufike nayo le dropeni noma uyithole la dropeni.
ngiyithole la kodwa yona yokuphuza utshwala yokuphuza idrink emnandi kanjalo yabo nje leshanga phakathi tropica.
See on the club in the morning.
Angela David. Waka. Ayini. Uspekman nakasanda kuphina. Oh namdana wayithatha usikakete.
Uyaqhubekeka imboza like nothing happened.
Utshwala is a salvation yempilo yabona ahulumeni ngiyavina shem nanoma angadli but nangukudla kwami is a salvation yempilo yami.
That was Christian Cleansing. You also said that you see an application. Yes, I see rules. I see rules and so I'm waiting for this voice.
Ngiyeka wena. Ngiyeka. Okay.
Aibo. All I can say is that bakubhatale malini mntase. Bakubhatale malini mntase. Kholondo apha. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu, and if you see me for the first time, igama lami Amani. Kule channel I'm bringing you the best of local content. So if that's what you're into, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.